What's up guys, I'm Sean. It's time to replace the OEM M3 steering wheel with something that looks better and will also turn faster on track. These are the parts I picked up from BMW World. The OMP E46 hub adapter and the OMP WRC steering wheel, 350mm with red stitching. The red stitching matches my black and red theme. Here's my stock steering wheel. I already removed the airbag because this is a track car and you don't need an airbag if you're running a full harness with Hans and a helmet and everything else. But you do that at your own risk. I removed my airbag and all the internals of the steering wheel. If you're still running the airbag, you want to disconnect your battery first. And then normally there's spring clips where you use a flathead screwdriver and you insert it on this side and insert it on that side. And you basically squeeze the spring clips in. The stock airbag comes out. And now you're left with some connectors that you just unplug. And one 16mm bolt that you just remove here. And the stock steering wheel will come out. Steering wheel removed. We're going to reuse this. Here are the two wheels side by side. Stock is 370mm. The WRC wheel is 350mm. Stock feels just a little bit thicker than the WRC wheel. And I went with the leather wheel because leather is more durable than suede. And this wheel is what they call a flat wheel, whereas other ones are dish, which gets closer to the driver. This install is going to be really easy because I'm not running a horn. So here's the hub, and there's a little line that you kind of see there, which is the center line. There's a little notch right here for the stock steering wheel, which is the center line. So I'm going to try to line everything up and then slowly slide this on. Reinsert that bolt, and we're going to torque it to 46 foot-pounds. Now all you have to do is install the supplied Allen bolts. I just tightened up the Allen bolts and I popped in the horn button even though I'm not running a horn. It comes with this yellow OMP sticker. I don't know if I'm going to rent it yet. I wish this thing was red, but it's yellow. So I may just leave it black or try to find a red one of this, or maybe paint this red or find a BMW one that'll fit here. Otherwise, it's pretty much done. So this is 350mm. The stock one is 370. So being 20mm smaller, it's going to allow me to turn a little bit quicker on track. This combined with my Z3 steering rack, it's going to be awesome on track. They do make a 330mm version and smaller, but the problem with that is that you start to block the gauges. So 350mm is a good compromise to still see the gauges. I didn't go with the quick release because I actually sit pretty close to the pedals. And the quick release adds about 2 to 3 inches to the steering wheel. So if you're taller and you sit further back, then you should go with a quick release. So everything done. Red stitches with my red accents. And the red cage and red brakes. Love the look of it. So I can't wait to try this out on track in a few weeks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.